Video ini dibawakan kepada anda oleh Upskill Learning PLT, penganjur kursus dan program face-to-face dan online yang berdaftar dengan HRDF. Subscribe ke channel Azahan Safetyman untuk dapatkan kursus online percuma setiap minggu. Assalamualaikum and good day. Welcome back to Azahan Safetyman channel, the channel that provides you answers to all your OSH questions. And today we are going to talk about sell your value, not your price. I was approached recently by a friend. He is unemployed and having difficulties to get a job. This is an impact of our current economical situation right now. And being a coach and a concerned friend, I asked him, what is the problem? And he said it is difficult to go into manufacturing from construction industry. By the way, he was applying to a vacancy that I posted on our Facebook page Azahan Safetyman. If you are looking for a job, now we are posting vacancies that we found there, and make sure you visit our Facebook page after this to get the latest vacancy ads that we found. Now let's get back to the story. My friend feels that he is not suited for manufacturing industry. From the applications he applied, he continuously received feedbacks like overqualified and not suitable almost all the time. So I told him, sell your value lah. And he replied, I've already asked within their budget, but it is still not working. Dear friends and families, values are not money. To put it in simple words, what benefit can you bring to your future employer? If you want to create your own market where the normal market rate does not apply to you, this is the area where you should focus on. And the same goes, if you want to change the field, this is where you should work on. So what are types of values that you can offer? Here are some that I can give within this short video. First, a problem solver. This is the best, and I regard this as the most important value. Even as fresh grads, you can solve a problem. For example, you can work during Hari Raya while other people goes on holiday. Or you can make videos, posters and other creative stuff. Or you can do toolbox talks from this January until next year's January. No problem. So, ask your interviewer what are their current problems and share with them how you can solve these problems when you are employed. Second, cost saver, especially to experienced candidates. You can assure them that you are overeducated and your future employer does not have to spend much to develop you. For OSH practitioners, you can find ways to save CEP costs. For example, you join CEP events organized by societies like SRG, SHE or MSOSH. If you have specialized cost-saving knowledge, skills and experience, such as Six Sigma or 5S, that would be better. This is how I overcome competition and become their first and second choice for every job application I apply. This was all shared in my Creating CV and Tackling Interviews in Safetyman's Way course, one of our best-selling online courses that we have. And third, independence. This is written by many candidates in their resume, but do you actually really understand what does it mean? To me, independent means you give me the objective and I will plan and execute to achieve that objective I will consult you when there's a problem, and I will let you know the update from time to time. This is a very important value to us because we don't have the luxury time to hold your hands before you can fully operational. That is why companies are willing to pay more for experienced and independent candidates, because that will reduce hiccups in their operations and make the organization grow faster. So here you go. You have learned how to sell your value and not your price, so that in your next job application, you are clearer on your success rate and makes you confident on your price. So if you like lessons and tutorials like this, do subscribe, because we produce tutorials and videos about safety every week. Until we meet again, Tomak Nina and be safe. Azahan, Safetyman.